So we have arrived to our high altitude base camp at 4,800. It was horrendous. Woke up 4,100 meters up with those two backpacks weighing maybe what, 10 kilo each?
No, more.
15 kilograms each.
Yeah,
As beautiful weather, sunny, seeing all the valley. Actually, the valley is somewhere down there. As soon as we arrived, pitched the tent. This happened. Hey, months. Anyway, but we are not giving up. Settling in for the night. Cooking borscht again. So we're gonna eat borscht outside under the snow. Some more people camping. The summit is up there.